The question is, in a society there are 14 residents. Total number of bikes owned by these residents are 20. 6 of the residents do not have any bike. Exactly 5 have one bike each, and one resident has 4 bikes. What can be the maximum number of bikes owned by any resident? Look, we have 14 residents. Let's say there are 14 residents, 14 people. Either way, it doesn't make any difference. They have a total of 20 bikes. Now 6 do not have any bike. That means the remaining 8, that is 14 minus 6, 8 residents will have all the 20 bikes. Now out of the 8 residents, I'll keep writing it here. 14 residents, they have 20 bikes. 6 people have 0 bikes. That means I'm left with 8 residents who will be possessing 20 bikes. Now, one resident has 4 bikes. Fine. So, this means the remaining 7 has 16 bikes. Now, there are 5 people who have 1 bike each. Fine. So, it altogether there are 5 bikes with these 5 residents. So, I have remaining 2 people who will be possessing 11 bikes. Now, I know that to maximize one person holding maximum bikes, I have to minimize the other person's bike. I know that out of these 2 people, the other person who is having the minimum number of bikes, it cannot be 0, because it is already mentioned that 6 people have 0 bikes or no bikes. It cannot be 1. It is already mentioned that exactly 5 people have 1 bike. So I have counted all those people who have exactly 1 bike. So the minimum number of bikes that one particular person can have is 2 now. Fine. So in that case, I can say that I'll have one more person who will be having 9 bikes. So maximum number of bikes which a resident can have is 9. Hence the answer is option A.